arrive. It's a little late, so I'll be here around 7:15. But in the meantime, this is the N Languages meetup, formerly 7 Languages, and also NYC Open Data. So who here is came from the NYC Open Data meetup? Who came from the N Languages and N1 meetup? Cool, about half and half. Welcome everyone, and Vivian, John. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for inviting. So let me do a quick self-introduction. I did my bachelor in computer science and double master in computer science and statistics. I really like data mining and data visualization. So I started my own consulting firm last September, and I have been doing my volunteer teaching through my meetup since May, and it's almost we are 10 and a half months old the meetup, and last night we hit 1,600 members. That's awesome. And we have it every Monday and Thursday, so share on different topics. I have offered about 18 to 19 different art workshops. Like this one is our workshop 1 and 6th time, but I don't count repetitions. So it's much more than 16 different topics. So if you're interested to learn more, you can join my meetup. It's NYC-open-data. You will see the cute bunny out there. And this Thursday I'm teaching Bitcoin. And like most of my events are archived on the nycopendata.com. If you click on any events, you can find the pictures, the slides, videos, live recording, and learn them on your own. So I put a lot of effort to make the material reusable. I also taught Shiny. If you want to use R, Shiny is really good. You can make it a web application without knowing any JavaScript or HTML. Like here is example of how you can reduce the dimension of the picture by setting different parameters. You are losing clarity of the picture. So you can play with it and see how much you can compress your picture. So those are examples you can do with Shiny. All you need to know is R. And you can even grow your Christmas tree by Shiny. Oh, I already started to talk about why you're going to use R. So usually my meetup is set like I teach you for about 1 hour and let you do something out of your own interest. And you should submit your outcome back to me. So we have a solid event, you learn something. This is the question I asked the attendants of my Shiny event, and in the end they did some work like this. The regression report would be printed here, and the regression fitting plot would be underneath of the summary. And there are 2 links listed on our studio website. You can take the class from 0 to 10, so you have an idea what are the accessories available in Shiny. So I also invite people like who wrote book in open data, who are expert in different type of data set, like energy data, analytic, open data workshop, Tableau workshop. I also do one very cool thing is if I find some visualization super cool, I try to break them down and teach you how you can do that. Like the hack session 2 and the location data query is about a visualization New Yorker magazine have done last year. So if you search for New Yorker subway income, you can find a really cool visualization. Have you seen this before? So tell me which subway you take. Yeah. F?
R.
Okay, let's look at F first. Which station?
I'm not fourth and ninth.
median income level close to station. So I break this down into two parts. I first invite my data visualization team to do the D3JS. So it's this part. We record the whole section in the slides, so we can basically follow along to make this D3JS part. I also invite Professor from Danvers. So he taught us how you can download the data from Census website and clean it up so you can have the median income level data available for you. And there is the tutorial, like what software you need, how to do them step by step. How do you like this? Super cool, right? Okay, I have my Christmas tree. So how old the tree should be? 8-year-old. And you specify your age. I guess the younger, the more colorful the Christmas tree would be. Make it Christmas. I'm drawn. The tree should grow. I guess the internet is really slow. Otherwise, you should see really colorful tree right away. So the whole interface is made by R. Basically, you need one interface.R file or plus a server.R file to communicate based on your selection. What else I do? I founded a data science school called Data Science Academy. We are offering 10 classes now. Node.js, data science by Python, Knitr. Knitr is one popular package in R. It basically helps you to generate report dynamically. Like if you are doing the same thing for 50 states, you only need to do it them once. And you can generate them into different formats. Excel, PDF, LaTeX, web page, everything you can do. It's because we want to, because in open source community, reproducible and dynamic is highly valued. So Knitr is the most popular one for such job. We also teach Shiny, like how you can bind Twitter Bootstrap element to Shiny, so you can make really rich effect like you have seen New York Times or Wall Street Journal. And this one is D3JS class, like how you can make really colorful and pretty visualization, like map, like bar chart. We also offer Excel class, but this is very intermediate and advanced one. We teach you how to make macro, how to use those shortcuts. I personally teach those four, R beginner, intermediate, Hadoop beginner, and Hadoop intermediate. And I'm hard to, my class is really hard. People cry in my class. Even it's only 5 days, 7 hours per day. So I give a lot of homework, a lot of assignments, a lot of reading to do. After they finish the class, they need to do a project demo. About 3 weeks ago, my second class graduate, they analyzed Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter data and did their demo. One of the students brought his parents, his fiance's parent, his boss, his colleague, 10 people come with him. I haven't seen anyone brought that many people to a graduation ceremony. That was very impressive. And I just finished the third class, so they will present on May 1st and May 5th. May 1st is the R class, May 5th is D3JS and the Python class. So welcome to come and learn with them. After they present, you vote, tell us whether you can graduate from the school or not. We need 2 thirds to get them past their exam. So that was fun. And if you are interested to learn more, the R beginner class next round is May. I'm teaching the machine learning one starting this Sunday. And Python class starting this session. You meetup to sign up for that. Cool. Any question? You can find curriculum like what we covered by click on the logos. You can tell the shiny one is the advanced version, right?
Tree road.
So in machine learning class, I'm going to teaching Sunday. I cover k-nearest neighborhood, Bayesian method, tree, decision tree, regression, support vector machine, GBM, association rule. A lot of cool stuff you can do with that. Oh, while my beginner level student is going to do a ring prediction application. So if you use Mac or use iPhone, there is an app called Dark Sky. It tells you whether next minute it's going to rain or stop raining. So that's his goal. And you can find the data from forecast.io. If you already know some machine learning algorithm in other languages.
You're saying the Dark Sky creator he teaches the class or what?
So this is his project. So after he learned everything in our beginner, they want to work on different project. Some of them are doing path data set on Craigslist. They grab all the images to analyze, like Sophie means it's fat cat, tiger means mixed color. So they want to analyze the name and the image relationship. It's all based on their own interest. Yeah. If no more questions, we get started.
Now might be a good time to get some pizza.
Oh, cool.
If people want some.
Perfect timing.
Yeah, exactly.
That's okay.
No. Because second one is I want to go through the code to clear now. And then it's a lot of work. Get food,
Oh yeah,
get
you know,
space.
yeah, totally.
Being there, done that.
Yeah.